Hello my dear buddies, I welcome you all to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine and super safe. So today's video gonna be a haul video. I had purchased some of my tops from Myntra that is in budget under rupees 400 as there was sale going on Myntra and I got good discount. I'm super excited to share all my tops with you all. So yeah, without wasting much time, let's quickly buzz into the video. First top is this cute little tank crop top in the color blue. Material is in soft cotton and this top is very flexible and comfortable to wear. And it has a knot on the front. When you wear it, it looks very cute. And I'm in the size small. And this is from the brand Sassafras. So the actual MRP price of this top is $899 and I bought this top for rupees 332 only. So that was a great purchase. Next is this floral print crepe top. This top looks very beautiful and it's in the color red. Sleeves are super cute and it has a ruffle detailing on the sleeves. It looks very pretty once you wear it. And I'm in the size small and this is in the brand Berry Lush. So yeah, actual price of this top was $1,399 and I bought this top for $293. It looks very pretty once it is worn. I'm happy with this purchase. Next is this basic top from H&M and I'm in the color black. It's in cotton material, very stretchable with narrow shoulder straps and I'm in the size small. This is a basic crop top. You can style on anything, anyhow. You can also wear a jacket on it or you can also wear a loose, comfy palazzo or a white pants or white denim pants. It looks super classy. So next is this crop top. It's from the brand Sassafras. In the color navy blue, V-neck with button detailing in the front and with the regular sleeves to a soft cotton. It's very breathable and also comfortable to wear. I'm in the size medium. MRP price of this top was rupees 999 and I bought this top for rupees 399. I mean wow. So next is this basic blue crop top with regular sleeves. Fabric is in soft cotton and also very stretchable and flexible. It's in the V-neck and it has gathers in the front. And I'm in the size medium and it's in the brand Sassafras. MRP price of this top was $999 and I bought this top for rupees 490, just 19 rupees over the budget, but this top is worth buying it. I love this. This is very comfortable and soft. So next is this cami crop top in the color magenta pink. This top has adjustable straps. You can adjust it the way you want. It has elastic on the back side and this is pure cotton ripped top. Tops are never out of fashion and it looks cool once you wear it. And it's in the brand Sassafras and I'm in the size small. MRP price of this top was $799 and I bought this top for $295. Next is this cotton t-shirt with green and white strips. It's in the round neck and regular sleeves. The fabric is in pure ripped cotton and very comfortable to wear. Brand Master and Harbour. This brand is very good. Their clothings are amazing. Material is also great. It looks cool when you wear loose t-shirts. MRP price of this t-shirt is $999 and I bought this t-shirt for $349. So last top of this haul is this cute maroon crop top and it's in the brand Roster. It's a knitted top, very stretchable and comfortable to wear with high neck The sleeves are also very pretty. So I ordered this in the size small. So MRP price of this top was 899 rupees and I bought this top for 359. This top is very comfortable and also material is very breathable. So I would like to give you all a small suggestion. If you want a good product at cheapest price, only for discount, and also it saves your money. That's all for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. So let me know which top was your favorite in the comment section. And let me know if you want more haul videos. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon to get the notification first. See you all into the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you all.